right? Pause your video for a while, do question 1, 2, 3. Okay, pause. After 10 minutes, right, you turn on your you continue, right? See whether you've done it correctly or not. Okay, so this 4/7/9, 5/7/54, right? To determine the LCM, okay, you know that 9 can be divided by 3, you get 3, and this is 1, 3 times 3, 8, 24. Okay, can further be divided by 3, you get 1 and 6. 3 times 3, 9, 9, 6, right? 54. So your common denominator is 54. Okay, 9 times 6, 54, 7, 6, 42, and this is 7. 9, 49 over 54. Next question, number 2, divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. This is 1, 27 is 9. Okay, so you have 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 19, 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 9, 9 times 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Plus 5, 171. This is 5. Okay, so 9 times 19 is 171. So 8 times 19, 8, 9. Times 9, 72. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Right, 57 times 3, you get 171. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, this is 10. 164 over 171. What about the common denominator for 10 and 12? This you can divide it by 2, you get 5 and 6. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 6, 60. Right, so you use 60 as your common denominator. 10 times 6 is 60. 1 times 6 is 6. 12 times 5 is 60. 5 times 5, 25. So this is 31 over 60.